Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif has termed the report of the Judicial Commission, which rejected the PTI's allegations of organized rigging in the 2013 general elections, a new beginning in the country's political history. Full stop. The chapter of smears and allegations must now Islamabad. Full stop. The chapter of smears and allegations must now close forever. Full stop. We are trying to forget whatever transpired after the last general elections, but how the country was maligned worldwide by making a free and fair exercise a controversial one will be difficult to overlook, the Prime Minister said in the only direct and somewhat harsh reference to PTI Chairman Imran Khan during his 15-minute address to the nation following the release of the Judicial Commission's report. First stop. Chiefly woven around the three terms of reference under which the Commission has given its findings, Mr. Sharif left little doubt as to whom he was alluding to when he expressed the hope that the elements who wasted precious time of the nation would not repeat the mistake. First up, he read out the three terms of reference and the final outcome of the investigation. First up, a confident looking Prime Minister said that the country had paid a heavy price due to constant political instability and uncertainty. First up, otherwise, he added, we would have progressed at par with other developed nations, and it is still possible if we forget our bitter past. First up, recalling the difficult days during PTP's sit in Islamabad, Mr. Sharif said by constituting the Judicial Commission, the government had put itself in the dock. First up, he said by providing a written assurance that the government will go home in case the allegations of rigging were found to be true. His government had made an unprecedented move. First up, I am happy that with the findings of the Commission, the mandate of people has been confirmed. First up, besides, it showed maturity of democracy and constitution in the country. He added, first up, the Prime Minister reiterated his government's stance that it was all for sweeping electoral reforms, and if the need arose, we will support constitutional amendments for the purpose. First up, an electoral reforms committee was already working on it.